Want to share your Photoshop document with other people to get their feedback? Okay then, watch this video. If you have the latest release of Photoshop, you should see this big blue share button on the top right. I've opened this masterpiece that I created in Photoshop, and if I click the big blue share button, I see two options: invite to edit and share for review. In this video, we're going to use share for review, which allows you to create a shareable link of the web version of your masterpiece. And you can send this link to people to collect their precious feedback. Click share for review. And here you can change the file name and control the access permissions. I want anyone with the link to be able to provide feedback, so I'll choose that and then click create link. Wait for Photoshop to generate the link, and here it is. You can now invite people by email or simply click here to copy the link. And you know what? Let's send it to our director.
And now we're gonna discuss the financial plan for the next decade. Oh, sorry, I have to stop this meeting immediately. I just got a link from Dej and he says it's very urgent. Wait, what is this? Is he serious?
It seems our director has left some feedback. So let's go to Window, Comments, and see what he had to say. I think he's having a bad day. Anyway, I can reply to his comments, or I can click here to mark them as resolved, or simply delete them like I do with all the precious feedback that I get.